We are pleased to demonstrate a sample analysis using SurveyIR interfaced to the Thermo Nicolet iS5 FTIR spectrometer. In this example, we're going to be using a diamond ATR sample analysis method. A unique feature of SurveyIR is the ability to observe specimens through the diamond internal reflection element and also observe contact with the sample. Attenuated total reflection spectroscopy is a contact method which provides ease of use and simplicity in the measurement. Samples can be identified through searching of library spectra as with other infrared spectroscopic methods. Another unique feature of SurveyIR that works very nicely with diamond ATR is the oblique illumination. Oblique illumination provides excellent contrast for scattering samples, such as this paint chip that we view on the left, or sucrose crystals as viewed on the right. In this video sequence, we will demonstrate the use of the SurveyIR in analyzing an unknown crystal material using infrared spectroscopy. First, we locate the unknown, in this case a crystal, in the field of view, viewing through the diamond ATR element. We are viewing the sample in oblique illumination, which is especially useful for contrasting these kinds of samples. However, we will switch to transmitted light illumination that will allow us to visualize the contact of the specimen with the surface of the ATR element. Prior to collecting the infrared data, we set up the Omnic software in preview mode. This allows us to also observe in real time the spectral contrast when the specimen contacts the ATR. We are now bringing the crystal in contact with the surface of the diamond ATR element, and we observe a wetting of the element with the sample. Weak bands initially are observed in the infrared spectrum. We optimize the contact using a force readout feature within the SurveyIR product as we make contact with the specimen. We see that the force is increasing. In looking at the spectral data, we also see that the band depths increase with contact and the spectral quality also is maximized. At this point, we're ready to initiate data collection. After we collect the data, we will search this unknown spectrum against a library of spectra of known materials to identify this unknown crystal. We see that the top match from the library is sucrose, with a very high correlation. SurveyIR is the microscopy accessory for any FTIR. SurveyIR is very affordable and can upgrade any FTIR spectrometer, providing full FTIR microscope capabilities. No maintenance or liquid nitrogen is required to operate SurveyIR. A wide range of small samples can be identified or analyzed, including contaminant defects or spots on various products, fibers, paint chips, drugs, pharmaceuticals, or surface contaminants. The high image quality and clarity provided by SurveyIR allows easy visualization of samples while using the integrated video camera interface to eSpot software. SurveyIR is a very versatile microscopy system, providing transmitted, reflected, and oblique illumination modes. SurveyIR is also a very versatile spectroscopic instrument, allowing measurements in reflection, attenuated total reflection, or ATR, using either diamond or germanium internal reflection elements, and transmission, where samples can be measured on infrared transmitting windows such as alkali halide salts, or diamond windows, or in compression cells. SurveyIR is easy to use, installed by the user, and requires minimal training.